When you get tar sticking to the paint on your car just like this, doesn't matter how much you wash it, it's not going to come off. Today I've got a quick hack on how to get the tar off your paint very easily, and you've probably got this product laying around at home. You want to start off by washing the car down to get any dirt or dust off the paint.
I like to hit it with the foam cannon, then wash, rinse and dry.
Next up, grab yourself a clean microfiber cloth and a can of WD-40. Now don't just take my word for it, this one comes directly from the WD-40 website where they advertise removing tar as one of the features of this product. So what you want to do is just spray down the area where you've got the tar. You also want to spray down the cloth. And you just want to let that WD-40 sit on the tar there for a little bit and let it work its magic. So I've let that sit on there for a little bit now, and then if I come along with my microfiber cloth, you can see if I just rub it gently, it's easily wiping that away. And it's coming off onto the microfiber cloth. So once I've finished wiping down the whole car, I'm going to give it another quick wash, just to rinse off to get that off. And then it's a good idea to put a protective coating on the car. So a wax, in my case, this is part of detailing the car, to put a ceramic coating on it. And if you want to check out the full ceramic coating video, I'll leave a link in the description below.